Alright guys, so this is a fun day today. Initial D. This is one of the coolest little cars. I mean, even if it doesn't work as advertised, look at how cool it is. It's got one of those funny motors in there, like the Mini 4D, 4WD or whatever. I used to build those little cars when I was little, and they didn't have any steering. They just went straight like that, and you can put them on a track and stuff like this. But this has proportional steering. It has a very strange setup here where the batteries are just shown like that, but I don't mind it that much. I don't think it has any kind of suspension at all. Back here it's just like that, so I don't know. You probably don't want to stomp on the car because it will get destroyed. And then I do think it does have proportional steering, and then it comes out of the box with this very weird part, and I was like, what is that for? And it turns out it is because there's a steering bit over here underneath, and if you want to adjust the steering, go left or right a little bit more, you have this tool instead of having to fiddle with your fingers and try to get in there, which is kind of cool. So what else does it come with? It comes with a bunch of cones. See, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cones. 6 cones. And this funny transmitter. So 4 batteries are all you need to get this up and running. 2 in here and 2 in here. And we'll see how it runs. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.